Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility. Once there, go straight to Switch Control, don't dig elsewhere. Turn Switch Control on because until it's enabled you can't configure any switches or recipes. Next, choose your input source. Use the screen as a switch for quick testing or pair a Bluetooth switch if you have one. This sets the foundation. Once done, the iPad can accept switch actions and you can move into mapping controls. Now you add and map switches so the device responds the way you expect. Tap switches, then the plus sign to add a new switch, choose screen or external and perform the trigger. After that, assign an action, for example, select to choose items during scanning, or home to return to the home screen. Choose based on tasks you do most. Then set scanning style. Auto-scanning moves a highlight automatically, whereas manual requires you to trigger each step, giving more control. Finish by refining timing and building recipes for efficiency. You want switch control reliable for real tasks. In settings, adjust the hold duration and long press thresholds so actions aren't triggered by accident, and create a recipe to map complex gestures to a single switch. Once configured, test in the app you'll use most. If controls don't respond, restart the iPad, repair any Bluetooth switch, and make sure no other accessibility features are conflicting. That usually fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.